Should I buy or sell Pyxis Oncology? The report for Pyxis Oncology was first published on our website Wednesday, March 29, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 24, 2023, our system ranks Pyxis Oncology as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 105.43% since we first told you to buy Pyxis Oncology 4 days ago. This is an average return of 26.36% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up and an even stronger on the downside. The stock finds for any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $2.95, a level that there is a natural risk involved when a stock is. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 93.89% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -13.51% and 26.01%. The 12-month trend indicates a -40.30% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -90. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with this equals a price between $0.439 and $1.28 after a year. In our daily updates for Pyxis Oncology, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for Pyxis Oncology Incorporated stock price on Wednesday moving between $3.90 and $4.74. The Pyxis Oncology Incorporated stock price gained 17.92% on the last trading day, Wednesday, March 29, 2023, rising from $3.85 to $4.54. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 21.54% from a day low at $3.90 to a day high of $4.74. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 125.87% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -16 million shares and in total, 29 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $129.78 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $5, and the lowest price was $1.10. Right now the price is 9.2%, or $0.460, below 52-week high and 76.11%, or $14.46, below all-time high October 8, 2021 where the price hit $19. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Pyxis Oncology stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a neutral and price to book a neutral rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the stock and sell rating. The following signals have been found for Pyxis Oncology. The Pyxis Oncology Incorporated stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $2.80 and $2.16. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 23, 2023, and so far it has risen 135.23%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Pyxis Oncology. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.85. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $1 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 84 cents between high and low, or 21.54%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 27.66%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Pyxis Oncology. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Pyxis Oncology currently has a price-earning ratio of -0.183. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2023 is expected to be released May 12, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.790. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Pyxis Oncology finds first level of support at $3.85, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Pyxis Oncology is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Sullivan Lara, whom have bought and sold 2,807,951 shares or options in the company. Based on the 88 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of 0.792. In total, the insiders bought 17,139,648 and sold 31,518,363 shares in the last 88 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $4.41, minus 2.94%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 78 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 4 days ago. Is Pyxis Oncology stock a buy? Pyxis Oncology Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 30th, we expect Pyxis Oncology to open down $0.147 and start trading at $4.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.